Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can share a PDF document from Adobe Acrobat app. But first I wanted to tell you that don't forget to subscribe, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how you can make money online. So first you have to open the app. After that, you can see one PDF document in right now in my app. And if I want to share that with someone, I have to click on the three dots, and you can see that share option, and it says that share with others file will be uploaded to document cloud. Anyone with the link can access the file. So here you have to enter the name or email of someone, and you can write a personal message, which is optional, and you can select to allow contact comments or not. And if you allow, you can set a deadline for that. And you can see at the bottom of the screen that there are two options: the get link, and it says that anyone with access to the link can view the file. The link will be copied to your clipboard. Okay, and if you want that, you have to click on the create link, and after that you can share it. And yeah, shared file welcome PDF now available. All right, and let's see, the other option is the send a copy. And the same way you can send a copy in through all these apps. All right, so yeah, and this is for this video. I hope that it was helpful for you. If yes, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.